discover your ideal retreat in the heart of Oklahoma. This beautiful 0.28-acre lot is located on Lakeshore Drive West in Cleveland, right in Pawnee County. Surrounded by natural beauty and just minutes from Westport Airport and Keystone Lake, it offers both convenience and a peaceful setting. Enjoy nearby access to a boat ramp, park, fishing spots, and a marina with boat storage. Whether you're dreaming of a full-time home or a relaxing weekend getaway, this charming property is the perfect place to build something special. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Pawnee County, Oklahoma. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.